Oh, and you guys see what time it is? Look at that time. 7:06 a.m. okay? You guys should like and subscribe just for that, okay? Because your girl is dedicated, okay? I'm back, period. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing my makeup like Jackie Aina. I know. I just think that her technique is such on like a different planet that I just feel like I have to try it. Especially seeing how she did her makeup and put a mask on and there was basically no transfer. Like, we're gonna have to explore that a little bit. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. All right guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually play the video on my phone and try to follow her step by step. So that's how we're gonna do it today. Oh my god, her eyebrows are not done.
A lot of people said that they wanted
she's the other kind of people that I was talking about, you know. Nothing wrong with those people, but
gone are the days of just going outside and breathing.
We're gonna try. Alright guys, so like any other makeup look, you have to start with primer. So that's what she did, so that's what I'm gonna do first. I've already done my skincare routine, of course. It's gonna be kind of hard guys because she doesn't do her eyebrows first like I do, so this is gonna be interesting to do my eyebrows after. Who knows, maybe I'll like it. Maybe I'll like it. All right guys, so next what she does is she sets her primer with a translucent powder that's close to her skin tone. So what I'm gonna use for that is the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder in the color medium deep. Now, yeah, this is so interesting. Put that all over our face to set. Yeah guys, so I just finished putting that setting powder all over my face to set my primer. I feel like I'm not really used to this feeling on my face. It feels very drying, I will say that. Yeah, very drying. All right. Okay, so next up is contour. I know. Next up is contour. So she cream contours, I don't. But for the purpose of this video, I am going to cream contour. And to do that, I'm going to be using my Fenty Matchstick in Espresso. And it just looks like this. So, she contours jawlines and things like that. I don't usually do that. So, this is going to be very interesting. I'm just going to take a little bit right here. Yeah, this is pretty dark. Blend this in. Gosh, that was so stressful. Alright guys, so next up is color corrector. So I usually do not color correct. There's a lot of things that she does that I usually don't do. I don't know if it's because I don't feel like I need it or I'm lazy. I'll just say that I don't feel like I need it. So I'm gonna color correct using my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color orange corrector. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that under my eye. Just a little bit. Don't want too much of that. And then, you know, just conceal anywhere that you think needs some concealing. That's about it. Alright guys, now that that's blended, for today I'm going to use the Fenty Foundation and concealers. So she does concealer next. So I'm going to be putting on concealer. She likes to start with lightest and then darkest concealer for under eye look. I don't. I usually do like darker to kind of conceal and then lighter to kind of give me the brightening effect that I like. But I am going to put the lighter one on first. Alright, and this is in the color 380. I'm gonna put some of that under my eye. Alright. And then I'm gonna blend it out with the same beauty blender. Alright, I shouldn't have blended that out. It wasn't really ready, and I think that if you're working backwards with certain concealers, you definitely have to let it sit to kind of allow it to get its form a little bit, so that when you blend it out, it gives you a better coverage. I'm going to let that sit for a little bit, and then I will blend it out. So next up, I am going to take a setting spray. I don't have the one that she used. She used the Ben 9 one. I don't have that one. What I have that seemed pretty bulletproof is this one by Makeup Revolution. Is the Sport Fix Extra Hold Makeup Fixing Spray. I'm going to take my Fenty Foundation in the color 410. And I'm going to shake this up and I'm going to put it on my brush. I'm using the Morphe M444 brush. So I'm going to start off with just a pump first. And then I'm going to spray some of this. Put it all over the areas that I did not put on any contour or concealer. You know, as well as just really just blend everything in together. So. Alright guys, after you do this looks really, really good. So after you do that, I'm going to take the same setting spray and I'm going to set all over my face with it. So, and then guys, I'm going to use the end of my blending brush and I'm just going to press all of that product in my face. Next up, I'm going to take my Mercier powder in the color Translucent. I'm just going to set under my eyes and on my highlighted areas, because that's what you just do. Alright guys, somewhere in between setting and her starting her eyeshadow look, she did her eyebrows. So I'm going to finally do these brows. So I'm just going to do a quick eye makeup look because, again, and that's what she did. We're just going to continue to let this set under our eyes. I'm not going to do anything too crazy because I have another video that I want to do like a fall kind of makeup look. So we're going to go in, I don't know, I got two palettes here. So we're going to go in with this palette right here. This is the Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place. I'm just going to prime my eyes first. My girl, where was you going? Nowhere. And now that my eyebrows are concealed, I'm going to go in with that dark brown shade in Kenya and I'm going to sweep that into my crease area. Mainly focusing on the outer corner for sure, but just sweeping it just a little bit into the crease, whatever excess you have. And we're gonna build that color up. I'm gonna go in with Morocco, which is like an orangey shade, if you guys can see that. I'm just gonna put it right on top and just kind of blend out that line. just so there's no harsh lines, you know. But really, this look is really simple. It's really not going to be anything crazy. I am going to go in with this color called the Ya, and it's like a really pretty, like coppery toned color right there. So I'm going to go in with that color, and I think I'm going to wet my brush. Our lid. Ooh, very, very pretty. Yep. I think I'm gonna focus this on the center of my lid. I think that with the other side, we are going to go in with Sheba. I'm just going to align my eyes and put on my lashes off camera, and then I'll be back to finish the face. Alright guys, so I just put on my lashes and then some top and bottom mascara. So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to just sweep the I'm just going to sweep the excess powder under my eyes. Okay, now here is where Jackie just put on blush and stuff like that. I feel like when I did my concealer and my foundation, I kind of covered the cream contour, which is fine because we're just gonna go in and add some more. I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna use the Morphe contour powder. Yeah guys, it's definitely coming up lighter on camera. But it's definitely like a nice warm contour color. So yeah, I'm going to just take this angled brush and just dip it in here and give myself a nice little contour. So for blush today, I'm going to use an oldie but a goodie, and that is Max Raisin Blush. I'm going to just take a little bit of that and just put it on just right here. Not too much. Alright guys, my camera's about to die, so I'm just going to go put on some lips, and then I will come back with my final thought. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I just went in with my MAC lip liner in Chestnut and my MAC lipstick in Impulse. It's a matte lipstick, but it's coming up a little bit softer and creamier because I had chapstick on. Lip gloss is definitely canceled while we're wearing masks. It's pointless. It's all about a matte lip. You could just do a lip liner, but it has to be matte because that's pointless. So yeah, that's the completed look. I definitely, you know, I'm gonna bite those words earlier. My face does not feel drying. I think that the initial feeling it felt drying, but my face feels very much a normal. Now, will I be doing this routine in the future? Probably not, because I just felt like I had to repeat myself because I haven't perfected it, and I think that I would still come out with the same look. The same result, I probably wouldn't come out with it, but I'm definitely going to, I got a paper towel here because all of my surgical masks are inside the car. So I'm just going to like just pat my face like this and just see. Can you guys see that? I'm just going to just like wipe down my face like this and just see what I get here. And legit, guys, all I have, can you guys see that? That is so freaking weird. So this is where, yeah, so it's only my blush and there's barely anything on here. Wow, Jackie, you did something with this. Yeah, so blush. My blush and my contours on here. So, what the hell? I'm definitely shocked by that result. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I am shocked. Damn. So there's a reason why her name is Jackie Aina. There's a reason why she got 3.55 million plus subscribers. She definitely knows what she's talking about. So that's all that I have for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely take a look at Jackie Aina's video. She did it like a couple weeks ago. I'll try to link it down below, but I don't know if I'm allowed to do that. Again, guys, thank you for tuning in. Please like, rate, subscribe, comment, and I have everything in the description bar for you guys. So that's all I have for today. Bye.
Thank you.